Hi, it's Rich from the Motorcycle Garage. Just going to try something here as recommended and basically switch over to a slightly, as it were, larger sprocket this end to down the gearing slightly, so the engine runs a bit quicker as it per relative to speed on each gear. They've got a 36 on there, 36 as it were teeth, and they recommended a 39, which is this one. I was just checking that it will fit, which it does, so that's okay. Yeah, we'll see. And obviously I've got to adjust back with the adjusters, adjust back quite a bit. There was a lot of adjustment there because obviously it's going to take up a little bit more chain value, so need to undo those and back them off a bit, so everything else is good. I put them on the two ramps. I put rubber mat type things to stop any damage to the swing arm with the supports there. So there we go. Let's make a, see if it's easy with this. Yeah, it is a bit easier with these. Lovely. I know they can damage the nuts sometimes doing this, but I'm replacing them anyway, just to be sure. So they're all coming off. Okay, so I think I need two hands now. So anyway, I'll let you know how it all goes and pop the sprocket on. I'll try and, I'll see where we can go. Hang on a second. See how we get on all the old nuts. Yeah. Okay. So 15. Okay, that's better. It's one of the new ones. I know why, because it's tight in there, which doesn't matter at all. But anyway, yeah. There we go. There's not wrong with that sprocket. Anyway, it's a spare. We'll see how it goes. I think if you're doing lots of touring, which you probably wouldn't on the 999 anyway, you know, but just having fun and batting about, they recommend the 39. We'll see how it goes. I did it on the Aprilia, did the same with the Aprilia, and it did make a lot of difference at low speeds, batting around town and whatever, obviously acceleration. Yeah, we'll see how it goes anyway. So let's have a look. There we go. That's one of the new ones. It's sitting there alright, I think it will. Two flanged. It's two flanged. Never mind. Not the original, so unless they're flanged then. Yeah, it's a shame. It's a shame, that must be. You can see they're two flanged. They've got to recess. Got to go down and recess through. They're steel, so they weren't that much. They weren't overpriced or anything, but anyway, that's fine. I think I've got some other ones of these. Yeah, let's put these on. Yep. Pretty Loctite on there. I don't think they do actually, because it's done up to fair torque. 46 torque. Newton meters, that is, for each one. So here we go. Yeah, you see how they sit in the recess there when they're done up. Okay, just need to find the other one. Don't think they'll be large enough. Straightforward. There's some more fold ones. Ones are steel, I don't mind. And they fit. You can't get out of them anyway. They say for racing, which, you know, fair enough. They must be strong enough. But anyway. Yeah.